long ago, before clocks learned how to tick.
And before stories learned how to end, there was a land called Brightscale Valley.
Brightscale Valley was a place of wonders.
Watching over everything, high.
His name was Pyrrhax the Flame-Hearted. Pyrrhax was not evil. He was old, wise, proud. And his greatest joy was protecting the valley and telling stories to the stars at night.
But Pyrrhax had one small weakness. He loved snacks.
Every morning, the villagers left a gift.
Pyrrhax always said thank you by keeping the valley safe. One morning, Pyrrhax flew to collect his breakfast. The gift was gone.
The bell lay silent in the mud. Pyrrhax blinked. Then he blinked again. Pyrrhax blinked. Then he blinked again.
He sniffed the air. The scent trail led toward the whispering swamp.
I do not like swamps. They squish.
Still, a dragon keeps his promises and his snacks.
So he flew toward the swamp.
The whispering swamp was dark and wet.
So full of croaking sounds. Pyrrhax hovered above the water.
Rising from beneath came the largest anaconda ever known.
Her name was Grandmother Coil, older than the tallest trees.
Coiled gently was Pyrrhax's goat. The bell jingled softly.
Excuse me, very large snake. That is my breakfast.
This goat wandered into my swamp. Wandering things become dinner.
The goat nodded very fast.
But it had a bell.
Yes, a fashionable bell.
Dragons are patient, but dragons are also dragons.
And I am very old. Old creatures do not give up meals easily.
With a mighty roar, Pyrrhax breathed fire. Careful fire. The swamp hissed and steamed.
She moved faster than anyone expected.
She swung her tail, knocking Pyrrhax out of the sky. Boom! Boom! Oh dear, Pyrrhax said. That was embarrassing.
You are brave, but bravery alone does not win legends.
A legend needs a good ending. I do not plan to be a pancake.
He inhaled deeply. Warm firelight glowed.
Lighting the swamp like 1,000 candles.
You glow.
Pyrrhax wiggled free and leapt into the air.
They circled one another. Fire above, scales below. They circled one another. Fire above, scales below.
They clashed again. Water splashed. Trees shook.
Pyrrhax laughed when Grandmother Coil splashed mud on his face.
Grandmother Coil chuckled when Pyrrhax singed his own tale. This is the most excitement I've had in 50 years.
This is the wettest fight I've ever had.
At last, they stopped. Both were tired.
The goat stood very still, pretending to be a rock.
You are strong and wise.
You are fierce, but gentle.
She slowly uncoiled. The goat tumbled free.
And ran toward the mountain, bell ringing wildly.
Take your breakfast, flame-hearted dragon. The swamp watches over itself.
And the sky watches over the valley.
Legends are born, not from winning, but from respect.